My name is Ashish. I go to Mission San Jose High School. I took the Excel test, SAT/PSAT prep course over the summer, and I got a perfect 1600 score on the January 2017 SAT exam. I guess the first thing that went through my mind, I was relieved that I got the score because I had been hoping to get a perfect score in practicing up to taking the test. So yeah, I guess I was relieved and happy that I got the perfect score. I basically did as many practice tests as I could. So on my own, the test that College Board released, plus the tests we did in class, the practice problems we were assigned in class, as well as constantly visiting exam clubs so I can keep doing as much practice as I can, because I felt like if I did as many practice tests as I could, then by the time I got to the actual test, I'd be used to the questions and the style enough that I'd be able to do well on it. Excel test helped me achieve a perfect score by providing me with as much practice as possible in the form of practice questions assigned as homework, practice tests in class, and tests in exam club, as well as clear explanations of all the concepts. So by the time I got to the actual test, I had seen everything that would be on there and was fully prepared for it. My advice for any future students who want to get a good or perfect score on the SAT would just basically be to drill as many practice problems as you can, as many full exams in one sitting as you can, so you're used to both the time and the amounts and types of questions you'll get. So by the time you come around to the actual SAT, it'll be routine by that point. I know in college I want to study something along the lines of biology or biochemistry, so for going to college, I was looking at the UCs or some colleges on the East Coast. I haven't made any specific plans in terms of what career I want to pursue after that. I just know that it wants to be something in biology or biochemistry or a similar subject.